saw a pretty lady walking by, moving fast beneath the neon sky. So I asked her where she was headed to. She said, I'm looking for something cool. She'd been searching all around the town, but nothing good could yet be found. So I smiled and softly said, don't worry, I know a little place around. Baby, I can help you. Baby, come with me. I know a little corner where the flavor runs sweet, fresh and smooth like summer, flowing wild and free. Baby, I can guide you, just stay close to me. She found a tall glass waiting there, cold and shining in the light. She said, go ahead and taste it, drink as much as you like. But when the sweetness reached the center, I cried out differently, na 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 na, calling out again and again. Just a little taste at the start makes my heart begin to rise. But when the flavor runs deeper, there's a fire in my eyes. Na 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 na, the rhythm pulling me along. Ah, the feeling growing strong. Where it lingers, in the middle, where it's warmer, in the middle, where it's better, in the middle, where it's sweeter, in the middle. Fresh and full of flavor, pretty lavender, pour me another. The bigger the better. Not that one, it's much too light, set it to the side. Give me one that's rich and strong, full of sweetness inside. Na 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 na, let the rhythm take control. Na 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 na, feel the night unfold.